Today we'll cover how to maintain your Shark PowerDetect 2-in-1 robot and NeverTouch Base. To ensure the best cleaning performance, we recommend that you periodically maintain your robot and base, according to the following instructions. Before performing any maintenance on your robot, slide the robot off the base and turn off the power by holding down the dock button for 5 to 7 seconds. It is recommended to perform this maintenance every 30 days or as needed to ensure the robot navigates and cleans optimally. With a dry cloth or cotton swab, gently dust off the sensors and charging contacts located on the bottom and sides of the robot. To clean your robot's brush roll, push up on the tabs on the brush roll door, then lift it off the robot. Take out the brush roll and remove the cap on the end. Clean off any hair or debris, then replace the cap. Remove any hair or debris from the interior brush roll compartment. Reinstall the brush roll, inserting the flat end first. Close the brush roll access door and press down until both sides click into place. To clean your robot's side brush, carefully detach it from the robot. Carefully unwind and remove any string or hair wrapped around the brush or gear. Gently wipe the brush with a dry cloth, then reinstall it. To clean the wheels on the underside of the robot, start by gently rotating the front wheel while lightly brushing away dirt and debris with a dry cloth. To clean the drive wheels on either side, rotate each drive wheel while dusting with a dry cloth. It's important to also check the navigation module on the top of the robot. Gently remove any hair or debris. For a more complete clean, use compressed air to blow away any dirt or debris from the gap around the navigation module. To clean your robot's dust bin, remove it from the back of the robot. Hold the bin over the trash, open it up, and carefully tap off any debris. Clean the interior of the bin by wiping it with a clean, dry cloth. Pull the filter out of the dust bin using the tabs. Hold the filter over the trash and lightly tap off any debris. Reinsert the filter into the dust bin. With the dust bin still removed from the robot, turn it over to access the Moping Pad. After every wet cleaning mission, the robot base will automatically dry the mopping pad. However, we recommend manually cleaning or replacing the pad once every 3 months, or as needed. To remove the pad plate, gently pull it off the robot dustbin using the blue touch point. With the pad plate removed, carefully peel the mopping pad off the plate, then slide the pad out to the side. Replace it with a clean mopping pad. Lightly press the clean pad back onto the plate to secure it and engage the fastener. To reattach the pad plate, slide it back into the robot dustbin until it clicks into place. Then reinstall the dustbin to the robot. Your robot is ready to get back to cleaning. To power it back on, press and hold the dock button for 5 to 7 seconds. Before performing any maintenance on the robot base, first turn off the power by unplugging the cord from the power outlet. It is recommended to perform the following maintenance as recommended to ensure the proper functionality of the robot base. To clean the charging contacts on the base, use a dry cloth to wipe away any debris. It is recommended to empty the base dustbin once a month or as needed. To empty the dustbin, press the release button and slide the dustbin to the side. Hold the bin over a trash can and press the orange release button on the bottom of the bin. Lightly tap the dustbin against the inside of the trash can to ensure all debris is emptied. Then, reinstall the dustbin back into the base. We recommend cleaning the pre-motor filter in the base once a month or as needed. Locate the filter door on the top left of the base and open the lid. Carefully lift out the pre-motor foam filter by the handle. Don't forget the felt filter underneath as well. Tap both filters over the trash to remove large debris. Rinse both filters with cold water and allow them to air dry for at least 48 hours before reinstalling. We recommend cleaning the post-motor filter in the base every 6 months, or as needed. Locate the filter door on the bottom left side of the base. Press down on the filter cover release tab and remove the filter door. Remove the post-motor filter from the base by pulling on the release tab. Tap the filter clean over a trash can, then reinstall the filter and filter door. We recommend cleaning the base ramp and pad plate tray every 3 months alongside the robot mop pad or as needed. With the robot removed, carefully lift the ramp to detach it from the base. Use a damp cloth to wipe down the ramp. Allow the ramp to air dry for at least 48 hours before reinstalling. With the ramp removed for cleaning, you can also access the pad plate tray. To clean the pad plate tray, wipe it down with a damp cloth. Allow the tray to dry for at least 48 hours before reinstalling the ramp and the robot. Lastly, it is recommended to clean the clean water tank before every refill, or once every 30 days. To do so, wash the clean water tank with warm water and soap. Rinse thoroughly. Allow the tank to dry for at least 48 hours before reinstalling to the base. Your robot base is ready to get back at it. To power it back on, plug in the base to a functioning power outlet and reinstall the robot. If you're looking for more information or cleaning tips, visit us at sharkclean.com.